could vote this time around. But more breaking news that we're tracking as well on crude bomb hurling incident that was reported. AUJP founder Humayun Kabir has said there was an attempt. I told my people to stay calm. Voting should be held peacefully. I have no intention of hurting or threatening anyone. I will visit there, quote unquote.
टीचर भी है, वो टीचर का जो आदत होना चाहिए वो टीचर का आदत नहीं मानते। वो यहाँ नौदा में सारा साल वो 2018-23 में जो चुनाव हुआ वो जिला परिषद को निर्वाचन जो जीता वो भी जबरदस्ती करके जीता। बाद में वो जिला परिषद का शिक्षा कर्माध्यक्ष भी है, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट भी है। उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आदत था, इच्छा था, उनको मकसद था यहाँ का एमएलए को चुनाव लड़ने का, लेकिन वो टीएमसी वाला नहीं दिया। वो साइना ममता जो एग्जिस्टिंग था उनको दे दिया। तो इनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा घर में ही मस्तानी कर रहे हैं। तो कोई मस्तान होते हैं तो आम आदमी को पास जाके मस्तानी करना चाहिए। हुआ नहीं, लेकिन कोशिश किया। मैं सबको, मेरा आदमी को शांत रहने के लिए बोला। मैं शांत में वोट होना चाहिए, चुनाव होना चाहिए, भाग लेना चाहिए। किसी को मारने का, किसी को चमकाने का, किसी को धमकी देने का मेरा मकसद नहीं है, मेरा इरादा नहीं है। मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा, नहीं जाऊँगा।
Sujata Pandey, political analyst, is live with us on the broadcast. Sujata, violence, of course, being witnessed in Murshidabad today. Today, Humayun Kabir now has spoken in the media. He said, I will visit there. He's also urged for calm. He's told his cadres not to threaten anyone.
Yes, but you know what I'm seeing beyond party lines, I think this is a shameful day for the democracy and for the West Bengal people, because we have all heard about Sonar Bangla. We have spoke about such great things about Bangla and how their contribution to the democracy that we are today. But if you see, the history of Bengal is just mixed with, violence, whether it's panchayat election, whether it is assembly election, whether it is Lok Sabha election, you have violence every. In fact, during the NCRB data, the most of the political killings, the state which tops the list is West Bengal. And today we see the same thing. This is the TMC who was asking, why do we need so many CRPF and all the central agencies on the ground to have an election. It was trying to corner EC, saying that it is acting as an agent of BJP. And now you see, imagine if with all these armed forces on the ground, with all the CCTV, with all the close monitoring that EC is doing, you see such violence right there on next to the poll. Police could not do anything, and the TMC goons tried blocking this Humayun Kabir. And I was there on the live where it was all happening. I was just seeing it, and it is shameful because it exposes the entire TMC facade that Bengal is safe. If Bengal is not safe for the voters on the greatest day of the democracy, where we are celebrating democracy for the polling day, I don't know what it means for the people. And that is why incidents like RJ Kar happens. And this, I think, sends a message to the entire Bengal that who they should vote for. And they have enough of this political killing. They have enough of making this political killing as chalta hai. This is common in Bengal, and we have made, streamlined it. We have like, okay, no problem. This happens in Bengal. We have seen in 2021 post-poll violence, and now this. I think EC is doing a phenomenal job. But even with EC's so much of effort, if this can happen, I am worried about what's going to happen in Nandigram, what's going to happen in Bhabanipur, where the high stakes are being played, and those are also the seats that go into poll for this phase. So you really have to watch out. We have seen what happened in Malda, where the judges were kept as captive, and then the Supreme Court had to intervene. In fact, today Supreme Court comment, they made the observation of Mamta government in these same words, that Mamta government, the way she interfered with the working of the central agencies, when the ED raid was happening on the IPAC office, it's a shameful thing. That is a direct insult to the democracy.
Yes.
That is the direct insult to the federal structure.
Okay.
And she's trying to make it between TMC and BJP, but whether it is not. I think Mamta Banerjee should hang her head in shame.